Shalom everyone, I hope you are doing amazing wherever you are. I wanted to wish you Shabbat Shalom. I also wanted to announce that next week I am coming to Florida for a whole week of lectures, and right after that to New York for a whole week of lectures. So I will be total of 2 weeks of a tour in the United States, starting in South Florida and Miami, Fort Lauderdale. We're going to have everyday lecture plus a Shabbaton, an amazing Shabbaton. And a week later, I will be arriving in New York. There's going to be everyday lecture and a Shabbaton in Hewlett, Long Island. I highly recommend to go to atzmut.org/tour, where you will see the full detailed list of all the schedule of all the lists of all the locations. When you visit atzmut.org/tour, on the list, you'll see the location, the date, but when you click on the location on the website, it will open to you another page where you will find the flyer, the map, the hours, everything that you need to know. Please share these flyers. Please share the tour page. Share it with your friends, with your loved ones, even if you don't live in New York or in Miami. Share it on your social media, on WhatsApp, that everybody should see. It's going to be an amazing, amazing tour. Every lecture is an amazing lecture. Most of the lectures will be about Purim and Rosh Chodesh Adar and all the time that we're in and what we need to do. We are working to see if in every location we can figure out how to stream these lectures, that the ones who can't make it can watch it live. But if we won't be able to do that, I promise you that the videos will go up on YouTube very, very fast because they're all time sensitive. And in the meantime, I wanted you just to know that I'm coming. Share, please share. The whole trick here is to share it. If each and every one of you shares it on their Facebook and they share it to their friends, then we expose it and we reach to as many people possible. So again, atzmut.org/tour. I'm going to be landing next Wednesday, February 26th in Miami. And every day there's going to be a lecture. We're going to have an amazing lecture in Bnei Sefaradim, in Fort Lauderdale, in Safra Shul, in Aventura, in K-Space. It's going to be an amazing. And same thing in New York. We are planning an amazing tour. So please join us. Please share. And my last humble request, when you visit atzmut.org/tour, on all the pages of all the lectures, on the main page, you'll find a link to give a donation. These tours are extremely expensive. They are funded by the generosity of many people like you. And the lectures are free. Everything is free. We don't charge for nothing. And these lectures and the tour is supported by donations. So if you want to participate in one of the most amazing, best mitzvot in the world of outreach and spreading Torah, please support this tour. The expenses are very high. And needless to say that to partner with such a huge mitzvah, this is very rare. The opportunity is rare. So I'm asking if you can help with whatever you can. Use the links on the website to support the tour. And Bezrat Hashem, I can't wait to see you all. I know many other locations are asking, when am I coming to the Midwest? When am I coming to the West? Bezrat Hashem, I will try to cover everything. My simple answer for those who are asking, when am I coming to a certain location? I only come to lectures where people where a place, people, a shul, they invite me. I don't initiate the lectures since I'm not local. So if you're local and you want me to arrive in your town, then start asking around the rabbis in the shuls or maybe a place where it can be hosted, and I will gladly come to any location in the world. Bezrat Hashem. So I wish you Shabbat Shalom. Have a wonderful, peaceful, restful Shabbat. Next Motzei Shabbat is Rosh Chodesh. So again, I'm going to wish you Shabbat Shalom. And please share the video, share the tour at atzmut.org/tour. If you can support, please do. And I hope to see you there. Shabbat Shalom and Chodesh Tov.